Hi my beautiful friends, welcome back to my channel. So guys, today in this video I am going to be telling you how to remove your whiteheads, blackheads, the clogged pores and the little hair you have on your nose. I have done procedure in the past guys, and there has been nothing which removed the little hair, like the hair which you have here on your nose. And this is very unhygienic also, having something on your nose. I have already talked about whiteheads and blackheads being very unhygienic because that is the form of acne you get. So this is going to be the first time wherein I'll be using nose strip on my nose, and I'll be showing you the entire procedure under microscope to see if it really removes the little hair. It is going to unclog your pore, which is something I'm sure about. The whiteheads and the blackheads also it is going to remove. I'll show you everything under microscope. For that we quickly need to get into the video guys, and also if you're someone who hasn't subscribed to my channel yet, just make sure to subscribe to my channel now and be a part of Beauty Squad. It's free for you guys and it's doing everything to me. So let's quickly dive into the video. So guys, I am going to be checking my nose under this microscope right now. I have lots of whiteheads, not lots of blackheads. I never had that problem guys, so we are going to see it. Yes, little bit hair are also there. I have whiteheads as you guys can see on the screen right now. And the hair as well. Now I'm quickly gonna apply the nose strip, and you have already seen the situation of the nose right here. I have not removed my whiteheads and the little hair I have since a very long time. Now I'm gonna apply the strip and show you guys how does it look. So guys, the first thing I'm gonna be doing here is peeling the outer covering off, and after that you need to make sure that you are massaging your nose with a good moisturizer, and also you need to clean your nose with warm water so that your pores can get opened up. And after that there is this smoother side of this nose strip, and make sure that you are making it wet as well. After that you need to paste it on your nose firmly, and it is gonna be wet for a while. You need to wait for 10 to 15 minutes once it get completely dry, so that all the impurities can be on it. After 10 minutes guys, I'm gonna peel it off. So guys, I have the strip right here, and we are gonna see what all has been removed. So are you able to see all the whiteheads it has collected? And this black little thing, I'm sorry, I had a little bit of mascara on my nose. I removed it though, but then it was still there on my nose and I wasn't able to see it. So this is how it is gonna look, and it look absolutely gross. Are you able to see these whiteheads it has removed? It has worked pretty well. All the hair are there as well. So guys, I think the nose strip has worked extremely well. It was very satisfying for me. If you want me to make more videos as such, please leave your suggestion down in the comments below. I would love to do something for you guys, and I hope that you know the drill. Make sure that you are subscribed to my channel if you haven't already. Hit the bell icon next to the subscribe button so that you do not miss any update from my channel, and make sure that you follow me on my social media. I would love to talk to you guys. Connect to me anywhere, and I'll see you guys super soon with another amazing video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.